a witch comes slightly unprepared due to being woken up before her time. So I will go and wake up fully, have some coffee, and make myself presentable, and during my evolutions will leave you in the capable hands of super excited me to do the proper greeting and unboxing. I'll be back later to do a proper review, so have fun watching me get super hype. See you in a minute. Hello lovely people, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you're new here. I'm Lexi and I'm going to be doing a lot of different format today because I am super excited to finally have it here. I have finally got my Forest of Enchantment tarot deck and I am so excited. Look at this. I haven't even unpacked it yet. It's still in its cling filmy thing. So I'm going to set up and unbox this and you're going to be live with me when I literally unpack this for the first time. I have wanted this for ages and I finally got it and I'm so excited and I'm so happy, so let's go. Okay, so here we are. I ordered this from the book depository. It's like, you can see it's still in its packaging, so let's get into it. I am so excited for this deck. I think I saw it somewhere last year and I was like, oh, this looks gorgeous, this looks amazing, I want this, really want this. And first up, oh, that's nice. So this is an opening. Oh, this is gorgeous. I am off the bat really impressed and positively surprised. I like these pull-out things. So let's have a. I like paperbacks. This is nice. And you've got all the like. Oh, it's all in color. Oh, bless, that is beautiful. Absolutely lovely. We'll put that to the side for the moment. And oh, the color. Oh, this is so cute. Little picture in the back there. That's gorgeous. Put the box aside for a moment. Oh, totally breathless over all this. I like that. That is beautiful. Oh my god, the back is gorgeous. I have a thing for owls, like total thing for owls. Find a place right there. These are like a nice decent size as well, like just about comfortable to handle. Nice, pretty like sturdy enough cardstock. I'm definitely in love right now. Oh my god, look at that. That color. Oh, this is so beautiful. Sound in the background, by the way, is my cat. So the Fool, effectively, the white. This is beautiful. Fool, Magician, High Priestess. Oh, this is beautiful. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, so a quick one on my background. I'm English German, like half and half. So I'm very European and I really enjoy. Oh, this is so beautiful. I really enjoy a good bit of like European-centric mythology. Oh my god, this is gorgeous. Really enjoy a bit of European-centric mythology, and because I kind of think that like in Europe we have a very rich background in mythology, in folk tales and folklore, in sort of like things that are our heritage. And I kind of feel like everybody is sort of like, oh, this pantheon from blah is so appealing because I find those gods so much more interesting than our gods or our pantheons in Europe. And I kind of feel like Christianity, oh, this makes me sad. Kind of feel like Christianity took away a lot of what us Europeans would or should consider our heritage. Like, sort of, we often forget that. So yeah, I mean, this is so beautiful, absolutely gorgeous. So let's have a look at this beautiful, beautiful book. I have a thing for like beautiful artwork, and this is right up my stream. This is so gorgeous. This is Major Arcana. Let's have a look at the index quickly. Forest Folk People cards. So I'm guessing these are court cards. Let's have a look through here. Oh yes, this is so gorgeous. This replaces the Hierophant. I mean, I've always liked my tarot deck. Like my original tarot deck is a Rider-Waite tarot, and I like it, don't get me wrong, but this artwork just really speaks to me. This is just Ace of Spells, so cute, Ace of Vision, Ace of Challenges, Ace of Boons. So this is definitely, Boons is the coin cards. This is for the cups. This is swords and wands. Well, they've got an interesting way of, okay, this is an interesting way of structuring the book. They go by numbers. Oh, that's actually really clever. That is actually really clever. Yeah, so you've got the 3 of Visions, 3 of Spells. Yeah, this is, wow, this is really cool. I like this kind of structuring. Like, I am already enjoying working with these so much. Okay, these are these the pages? Yeah, this, oh yeah, okay, look, see, these are the court cards. Okay, I was right, great. Nice. Let's go the Child of Spells, Child of Visions, Child of Challenges, Child of Boons. Oh, Hansel, I am amazed. Oh, the Seeker, that is then the Knights. Oh yeah, oh my god, that is a Knight of Swords. Oh wow. That is amazing. Oh my god, this is so beautiful. Weavers as queens, oh wow. Oh, this is so cool. And Keepers as kings. I love the language they use. This is so soft. This is like so much, like really approachable, I find. Like tarot always, like, it always kind of like intimidates me a little bit when you've got like the court cards, oh, the king of whatever, or the knight of whatever. It's sort of like intimidating. But with these kind of like, you've got like the keeper or the weaver or the child. This is beautiful. Like I really appreciate the language they're using. And here you've got some spreads, breadcrumbs and moonstones. Oh, this is beautiful. Shining eyes and creeping feet. I am going to try out some of these. I have a few journal pages at the end. Oh, this is so awesome! Absolutely gorgeous. Really, really nice. Yeah, I'm gonna try these out for sure. I need to sort of like, I think I want to do like a new moon ritual with these before I actually use them. But I'm definitely going to sort of like sit here a while and just go through the go through the cards and just like look at them, and oh my god, is this beautiful or what? Like, look at that. This is absolutely gorgeous. Oh, okay, they've got, this is neat. They've got the cards in here in the same way they're structured in the book. So the ones, the twos, the threes. Nice. That is really cool. I like the structure. This one really makes me sad. 3 of Swords. Amazing. Yeah, excitable little thing, isn't she? Anyway, I absolutely adore this deck. I've never had a tarot or an oracle deck with such an instant connection. The artwork is fantastic. I mentioned in a previous video that I have a thing for anything fantasy or fairy tale related, and this deck absolutely hits the spot for that. What is also really, really nice about the deck is that while it's very heavily based and very heavily inspired by the Rider-Waite Tarot, it's not a direct copy of the Rider-Waite Tarot. You've got several tarot cards that have different names, you've got a slightly different system for the court cards. The major arcana very much tells, like, guides you through the story and encourages you to learn new lessons and learn, like, gain new insights from the information they provide you, whereas the minor arcana and the court cards tell their own little story, almost like a side quest within the greater deck, but also tie in to the main quest, the major arcana. Usually with a tarot deck, I would connect most strongly with the Queen of Wands, which isn't the case in this deck at all. Like, not even a wand card, it's not even a single card, it's like I've several cards that are very, very connected for me. On the other hand, while I'm usually quite neutral about, like, cards like the Tower or the Devil or stuff like that, in this deck, for the Devil card, I have an actual very visceral reaction to the card, which is interesting. The deck as a whole has quite a whimsical, quite a airy, fairy feeling about it, but don't let yourself be fooled by that. This is not a pushover, this is not a hug deck at all. It will tell you everything straightforward, it will give you the tea, but it's not going to be mean about it. Like, I've heard, for example, with the Wild Unknown Tarot, that it can be quite sort of like in your face. I haven't worked with it, I've just, like, heard people say. So yeah, this one is, it will be straightforward, but it's going to kind of, like, not sugarcoat it, but it's going to be like, it's gonna give you a pat on the back and say it's not gonna be that bad, it's gonna be okay. This is a great deck if you want to expand your vision, like expand your spectrum a bit, because the system is quite different, you've got a few different names. I wouldn't call this a beginner deck, I wouldn't recommend this as a beginner deck, because, like I said, again, some of the names are different, and because of the different names, a little bit of the energy and a little bit of the message gets changed, also due to the artwork. There are several cards in there that don't match the original Rider-Waite Tarot, so not a beginner deck, but definitely a deck to expand your horizon, as it were. So yeah, that's my thoughts on the deck. If you like this video, as always, feel free to hit that like button down below. If you really like the video and you want to see more of my little ramblings and my little goings on here, do feel free to also subscribe. If you do, that would be A, amazing, and B, do also hit that notification bell, because YouTube, it will just not tell you when I upload. So if you want to stay updated, hit the bell and you'll know when my next video comes up. I upload on the 1st and 16th of every month. So yeah, after all that waffling, I hope you enjoyed the video, and wherever you are, I hope you have a lovely day, and see you soon. Bye.